Hello guys, this is my sister Emma. Today she's drawing a clownfish. Let's draw and paint together. First, she's drawing the body of the clownfish. She loves drawing and painting fishes. They are so colorful. And she's drawing its eye. Now she's drawing the fins. Look, clownfish is started watching the drawing. It has 4 pins. She's going to painting this clownfish's body with rainbow colors. Clownfishes are living in the ocean. They are the cutest fishes in the sea. Let's paint yellow. She loves drawing and painting fishes. They are so colorful. It looks lovely. Blue. It's wonderful. Isn't it so cute? Pink. Oh, look at those cute eyes. It's wonderful. Green. It looks lovely. Red. Looks amazing. Beautiful. Orange. Look at this cute. Yellow. Yellow. Look at those colors. Red. I hope you enjoy. See you on next video.